This is a review of MGET 20,000 mAh fast charging power bank with built-in USB-C cable. The features: built-in USB-C cable, 100 watt output and 65 watts input, fast charge to laptops, and safety protections. Let's open it and see what we have. You can use this for phones, tablets, laptops, and gaming consoles. User manual. We have a bag. And here is the power bank. I am so excited about this because you can even charge your laptop and tablets. You see, that's the built-in USB-C. And you can use USB in and out, and this is also out, USB-A. This is in and out, 20,000 milliamperes. This is my laptop, and let's go ahead and see if it's charging or not. Right now it is charging. You can see right over here, 47% left, and right now the laptop is using 55 or 56 watts, and there is 31 minutes left. This is charging my laptop. Let's take this out and put it aside and try to use it with my phone. USB-A. We're gonna use USB-A. Now it's charging. Let's see. It is using 2.7 watts and 47% left. Let's put this aside. And now it's charging. 47% left, and it is using around 20 watts to charge it. Let's test it one more time. And now it's charging. What about two devices? And now this is charging, and it is also charging. I can definitely suggest this product because not so many power banks are able to charge the laptops and iPads. At the same time, you can charge 3 devices right there. And this is 20,000 milliamperes. See, it is very portable. You can just put it like that and close it. If you just want to charge it like that, you can charge it, or you can put it inside and just leave it like that.